Did you know that in Ethiopia, Eid is celebrated with a unique tradition called haressa, a massive communal feast where neighbors cook and share a thick wheat and meat porridge in giant pots, symbolizing unity and gratitude? Eid is already a time of joy, reflection, and togetherness. But what if you could make it even more memorable? Around the world, families and communities have found creative and meaningful ways to celebrate Eid through unique traditions and heartfelt practices. By exploring and incorporating some of these customs, you can add a special touch to your own celebration, making this Eid not just festive, but truly unforgettable. As the years go by, many people find themselves celebrating Eid in the same way, same food, same routine, same gatherings. While these traditions are comforting, they can sometimes lead to a sense of repetition and monotony. With busy schedules and limited time for planning, it becomes easy to default to what's familiar rather than exploring new ways to celebrate. Over time, this can make Eid feel less vibrant and more like just another holiday rather than the joyful and spiritually uplifting occasion it's meant to be. To bring new life into your Eid celebrations, why not take inspiration from the beautiful and diverse traditions practiced around the world? From creative gift-giving to communal feasts, these customs offer fresh ways to celebrate, while deepening the spirit of joy, generosity, and togetherness. India, Pakistan, Sheer Khurma. A beloved Eid dish in South Asia, Sheer Khurma is a rich, creamy dessert made with milk, dates, and vermicelli. Trying new Eid recipes like this can turn your meal into a cultural experience, bringing everyone together around the table. Indonesia, visiting the graves, and forgiveness. Before Eid prayers, Indonesians often visit cemeteries to pray for their loved ones and seek forgiveness from friends and family in a practice called halal bihalal. Including moments of reflection or family reconciliation can give your celebration a deeper emotional layer. Morocco, henna, and storytelling. In Morocco, women and girls gather to decorate their hands with henna before Eid and share traditional stories. Hosting a henna night or storytelling circle before Eid could become a beautiful tradition that bonds generations. Spotlight tradition. Halal bihalal, the art of forgiveness. Indonesia. One of the most powerful and emotionally enriching Eid traditions comes from Indonesia, where families, friends, and even co-workers engage in a practice called halal bihalal, a heartfelt ritual of asking for and granting forgiveness. It's not just about saying Eid Mubarak, it's about healing relationships, letting go of grudges, and starting fresh with a clean heart. Eid is celebrated in so many beautiful and unique ways across the world, and we'd love to hear your special traditions. Do you have a unique dish, a family ritual, or a creative way of giving gifts? Share it in the comments below.